Every know the Dan, you know, the man, you know, the one, you know. Right now, me are
Chaddy TV.
Chaddy TV, and we say check him out for all your news, your views, your reviews, and everything you need to know. You see me?
On YouTube, you know. Come in, say YouTube, that tube, and such tube. Yo.
Yeah. Chaddy, I'm your biggest fan.
Ricky Chopper said that.
It's exploding right now.
You know, it's your boy DJ Chaddy and I'm back again. Wagwan people, it's me again. Once again, we are going to hold a reasoning and have a little discussion, make we see what going is it. So today we want to talk about two artists, Masicka and Govana. You see me? Two of them dropped two bad songs over the weekend. Masicka song is called Gifted.
Tell us I'm grateful and gifted. Cups up, spliff big, she love fuck, me addicted. Just to live life as a rich kid.
And Govana song is called Shrimp Party.
Alright then, and the girl when me fling cocky. Yeah, I'm in a show pussy sympathy. Girl I go on like say she do hype, so me trick it and fuck it for your shrimp party.
You see me? So there's a little talk grown. Me I hear it in the streets. It there on YouTube. It there everywhere. People are talk. You see me? And people are say the song them sound similar. These two song them sound similar to the artist last couple song them or last couple hits. You see me? So make we talk about Masicka first. So the last song for Masicka was Stay Strong. You see me? And that song they go on good, me not tell a lie. That song they go on well good. It mash up the whole place, and then him even do a video feed where I still a shell down the place. Probably that song they can get like best video of the year to how the video did bad. You see me? The ambience and everything in the video did bad. Me never review the video still, but you don't know, so we see it and we still talk about it, say it did bad. So pre this you know. If one artist, if something work for one artist, why stop it? Zine? And people say Masicka don't do no other style other than the motivational song. They like they don't know changes and stronger. You see me? Stay strong. That same one that we are talking about and no gifted. You see me? But you know remember say Masicka they do one song in our day where it never really get that much attention. You see me? And it's a song called Yeah Blood. You see it? And the song they never really go on good. You see me? Well, other people will like it might say the song go on good. But to me, the song never go on as good as probably Top Farm or the other song where him they do. With Changes. You know go on good as Changes. Or even Greatness. You see me? Not to mention They Don't Know. So, if a style of work for a particular artist, why him a go try change it in a pinnacle and career right now where at that in demand other style of work for him? Remember you know Masicka DJ, me know Masicka DJ from 2012, which other people might know Masicka DJ from long time before that, but that I would me know him. I remember say Masicka used to do some fast DJ, something where my DJ fast and some rap style, and the business never really did a take it. You see me? Him never did get no audience from that style. Then him try change it a little bit in a like 13 and start go hardcore dancehall and try cut out the little rap thing, and the business still never really take it. 15 the business start give him a little ear until 2016 me feel say Masicka really get the break, and him get the break with some similar songs like them there. You see me? Me I go tell you a way him use and get the break with. So Top Striker, that a one where they get a big break from him. You see me? And me have everything me want, yeah. Me have everything me want. That song there did go on good. But the song with me really take in and pre Masicka them time there, and when he must say, you see what Patience do? You see me did really love that song there, and that song there a big song. But when me I try if you say yo, other style I work for him, so why come out of that style? Why divert from the style? It's just like demand and supply. You see me? When you have one store, or when if you have a shop or a bar, any business at all, your customer them will demand a thing from you. Now that you give them. So you must be an idiot for you have one shop and a beer tigers the customer wants in beach tigers. Every customer just tigers. And yeah, give them St. Mary banana chips. Then the fool, you fool. You're foolish. So right now, Masicka fan base, most of Masicka fan base, them to me, them want them song like they don't know. You see me? Them want the song them like greatness, and them want the song them like gifted, like what him do. You see me? So why divert? It's just a few people that say, yo, you know, say Masicka I live in a one style and it might not work for him. Mark me, you know. More time, if you get the customer too much a one thing for show, it might shake up a thing, you see me? It might look one way and them get bored and annoyed at a one style. Like I come like say every song you do sound the same, but pre this Masicka still doing other songs. You see me? Masicka even though other style I work for him and other style him a push, him still do other song. Because remember say me tell you say him do Ye Blood Wadi. You see me? Him do Ye Blood Wadi. So people can just look what the artists are do and look in a direction and say, yo, if pre this man, if you want one artist, right now me a vlogger, and if that's something them me see, the people them a gravitate to, that the views depend, that me a go give them, unless where the views depend, me no really support, or is not it no moral for me to give them where them want. You see me? Which me that just divert to one different part. You see me? But right now them song people love it. So we don't talk about Masicka. Govana are the same. Yeah, wanna move. And then come back with a sympathy. Yes, the same style. But then again, people more wanna pray. Govana again a DJ from how long? From how long? From probably about 2008 or so, because remember say Diablo did inner the tune, the song with pan the drum line ready. Many I don't know that song there, but me I go play it for now a little bit.
Yo, no nonsense, no chat, no pray. A J.O.P. Yeah. Inium. Yeah. Subverter. Yeah. Size 10. Yeah. Diablo. What? No nonsense. No chat, no pray. J.O.P. welcome to the top
I said this eagle in my palm, you are feeded by down. When I bite me right down, them a roll it fly gone. Should do this I'll eye down, what the devil right on. You the eagle strike on, bring it like a light on. Heard about the eye pan, don't you leave a try pan. Boy, you ball up my card when him see the size all the thing we in my arm. Him on the cold up, pigeon mode when the eagles busy back.
Yeah man, Govana did dep on part of that rhythm something there. You see me? Him did there. So a long time him there in a line, I wait for the break. And them girl style I give him the break. Why you go divert pan it? That's what me say. But Masicka and I same thing relates to Govana. If the business want apple, what you go do? You go give them something else? You go give them plum? You see me? You can't, that I work for you. So just go and do it. It can carry a long way. You see me? I go carry my long way. Because a good artist and the two songs where the artists them do. Rate. You see me? Some people on the streets I say, yo, them sound alike. Right now, me don't know how you can say an artist right now him a lead dancer. Even though it's debatable. But Masicka right now, him a lead, him in the top running for best dancehall act for the year. You see me? No doubt about that. It's debatable if him can get it yes or no, but we all know say probably him in the top 3. You see me? For best for the year. You see it? And Govana right now, only thing because Govana is not necessarily a breakout artist, and Rygin King probably would have run with that title already, because that one would have more likely to get breakout artist. But right now, Govana going good and in the right pathway. So this is my message to you, Govana. Just go on the way I do, my general. You see me? If other style I work for you, other style I work for you. You see me? And do it. Now listen what the critics say. Sometimes the critics right, but sometimes you have to follow your instinct. You see me? It's your boy DJ Chaddy, and you don't know a thing going on. We just stop by a little. I'll do a quick discussion because we have to address certain things. You see me? And people, if are the first time watching this video, don't hesitate to click that subscribe button. If I first time you watch Chaddy More TV, click the subscribe button and turn on post notification. So anytime I upload videos like these, you're gonna be the first to know. And don't forget to like, comment, share. It's your boy DJ Chaddy, and I'm out. Oh, follow me on Instagram. I am DJ Chaddy. At I am DJ Chaddy. You see me?
Right then, and the gyal when me fling cocky, yeah, I'm in a show pussy sympathy. Gyal go on like say she too hype, so me trick it and fuck it for your shrimp patty.